Welcome back to Mujahid Official. How to resolve this real-time clock power loss in the system, in the CPU, in the computer, in or any CPU you are using. So the first thing, I remove my system RAMs, as you can see here, but this doesn't work for me. Then what you need to replace this onboard battery, as you can see here. This is the onboard battery, so you need to replace it. So I have bought a new, as you can see there, these are the new batteries. I have bought it. So this is the number. Make sure the number should be same, CR2032. My onboard, my first onboard battery number is 2032. That's why I have also bought this 2032. So you should make sure that the number should be the same. So first of all, remove all the RAMs on the board. If you have 2, 3 or 4, I have 3 on board RAM. So now I have removed 2 and then I will remove the third one. Turn off all the power buttons, as you can see there, and switch off this to here. This nail cutter, I am using this nail cutter to remove the onboard battery. As you can see here, there is the thing that you can use. I will use it to remove the onboard battery, and you should know this about it. And I will use it to remove the onboard battery and will replace with new one. Let's see. First of all, I have removed the power, and now I have removed the 2 RAMs and also remove this third one. This is the third RAM. I will remove it and see this. And oh sorry, this is and this, look it, and this is third RAM. I have removed it, and now use this nail cutter. I am using this nail cutter. You can use any tool if you have. I have this nail cutter, and remove it and remove this onboard battery with this. And as you can see here, this is the onboard battery. I have removed it. Now what I will do there, so why it is not focusing, and anyways, now I will use the new one, and this is the new one. This is also this is the lithium cell. If I show to you, see this is the lithium cell. Anyways, I will this is also, and this is also for them. This is also, these are also olds, and this is the new one. I will use this new one. Let's open it. It's very easy. This is, and this is now packed in this, and this is, open it. You can also use anything else. I will use this in this anyways. So this is, I have opened it, and this is the new cell. As you can see, CR32. This is the lithium battery. As you can see right here, lithium battery and 3 volt. So now let's keep up in the hand and just replace it in this way. As you can see here, easily you can replace it. And this is, I have replaced it very easily. As you can see here, I have replaced it. Now just put one RAM in the system, and you can do it very easily. Only put one RAM, put it, so it's also very easy. As you put only one RAM, and now let's take away this nail cutter, because there is no more need, we don't need it more. So let's keep it away. Like you can keep it away, keep it away from the computer, keep it away from the computer. Now you need the keyboard, you will need keyboard, so make sure you have now clean the keyboard. I have there is too much dust, my friend, so don't worry, I will remove it. So let's keep it on the chair, you will need it. Now let's just turn on the switch. So take this switch and put it in the power supply and just turn on this button, and as you turn on this button you can see here our system, our LCD is turning on and our system is automatically turned on. So now let's see, just where our system is turned off automatically, and it is turned on. Now let's wait, let's see what the screen shows us. We will do the action accordingly. So as you can see, again there is one real-time clock power loss, the system time is invalid, and so this may be a result of a loss in a battery power at the correct time and date. So first of all, press escape, and you will need, so press F1 on the keyboard, it will restart our system. Now press escape, press F1, it will restart our system, and as it restarts, press the escape button. So in your system it can be the different button, so let's see on the screen. So I'm pressing escape, so there is the menu, you can see right here. So go to this computer setup, press F10. So as you can see, press F10 and then F1 boot, press F1 for boot it, and there you can see this screen, the system information. It is not showing correctly because our display, we will set it later, display is not showing correctly, but anyways, don't worry. Then press the down arrow keys, and take it on the time and date. As you can see, the time and date, then press enter, and as you press enter, it will show this menu. Now you have to correct the time and date. So let's see, so let's wait. I see my time. So in my case there is the time 4:36 p.m. So first of all, let's see it very carefully for hours and then minutes. So it is showing, so I will set the time 04, then 36 or 37, I can do it. So 4, and as you press 4, then you have to press this right arrow keys, and you have to press this space key, 4, and then you have to press this enter, press enter. As you press 4, then press enter, then change the minutes, then write, so 37. In my case there is the 4:37 hours and minutes. Then press the down arrow keys, and now set the date. So the format let's see the format very carefully, month, date and year. So let's see my date and date. So in my case 6 May and 6 May and 2026. So let's set it. First of all, month. So month is May 05. Then press enter. Then press 06. Then press enter. Then press 2026. And this is it. This is just you have set the right time. And my friend, this option will be available only after you replace this battery with new one. As you can see, this lithium battery, you have to change it, you have to replace it if your onboard battery is down. Anyways, if it is not down, so it can be another problem. As you can see here, now press F10 for save it. So press F10, there is F10, and it is saved very easily. Now as you can see this menu carefully. Our display is not showing right, so it can be a trouble, but don't worry. As you can see here, changes, save changes and exit. So press enter here, save changes and exit. Our display is not showing correctly, but don't worry. If you know it, so see it carefully here. If this problem shows in your display, you can also do the same and press enter here, and you can see ignore changes and exit. You can see this problem right here. It is showing ignore changes. We do not do this. Yes, here. So press the right arrow key, go on the no option, press enter, then again scroll down and here press enter. You can see this. We need this save changes and exit. Are you sure you want to save changes and exit? Yes. So press enter here, and this is it. Our system is restarting now. See this correct carefully, and now you will see that our system will be easily restart and open. Then we have these two RAMs, and you have to put it by one. So we will do it later. And let's see, my friend, our system is on, turning on. This is it. If this problem, power loss problem, if your display problem is showing and this problem is showing in your display, so you can do this easily. Let's see. It is very easy. You can see this Mujahid Official, and you are watching this video on my channel Mujahid Official 12. And don't worry. And this is it. My friend, I hope this video helps to you. You can see this system is on. And if this video helps to you, please like and share. It will help others, and you will definitely be blessed. So now, my system is turned on. Now what you can do, again turn off this system. Now we will put these RAMs one by one again. So first of all, turn off the system, and for extra safety I will again switch it off because I always care my safety. So turn off this button, and let's put out this switch, and then again I will go there and I will put this one RAM. First of all, let's keep it away from the chair, this keyboard. Let's keep the keyboard away from chair. And now first of all, put this one RAM in here, and after that we will turn on our system. Again we will turn off our system, and again we will put the third RAM one by one. So I have put this second RAM. Now again I will go to the switch side and I will move faster. Let's do it again. So it's very easy, don't worry. Let's turn on the switch, again come to the system, and you can see our LCD is showing the current. So let's turn off the button, our CPU, and our system is turning on. And you can see this, my friend, very easily we have replaced our onboard battery. You can see these two batteries. This is the extra wrapper, and this is the nail cutter we have used, and these are the cells. I have just replaced this one with the older. This is the older cell, and I have replaced it with the new one. And these are also two cells I have bought from the market, but these are not also new one. Anyways, again you can see, my friend, our system is showing up an error. You can see this memory size error. The system memory size is different from the last startup. The most common reason is the removal of memory from the system board. Pressing F1 will record the configuration. If this message persists, verify that the memory modules are installed correctly. So it's very easy. You have to just press the F1 key on the keyboard. So let's, again, we will need the keyboard and press F1, and this will again restart our system. This is very easy. It is just a message that our system has configured a new memory size. If you want to persist the system this memory size, you can again press F1 key and the system is turned on again very easily. You can see now again turn on the system to turn off the system, and you can see our system is turned off. Again go to the switch side. I will do it for extra safety, so you can also do it. Again turn off the switch, you can see, again turn on, again come here, and again this is the third RAM and last RAM. I will again put it in the system, so you can see this is the easiest way. So let's, and this is the third RAM is fit. Again let's keep it here. Keyboard we will need it again go to the switch side, and this is the switch. Put it in the switch, again turn on this, and again come to the system and just turn our LCD showing current. Turn off the turn on button, and you can see our system is turning on, and it will again show this, will show, it can be show this message because I have put the third RAM in the system on board. Sorry, it's not turning on because I think it can be another problem. So you can see it will take time because third RAM is installed. Anyways, it is again showing this message, so easily press F1 and it will again start the system, and it is very easy. I hope, my friend, this video helps to you, and if it does, so please like and share because it can help others and you will be definitely blessed. So just turn on this lock. You can see you are watching this video on Mujahid Official 12, and you can see here, right here, I have just signed it in with Microsoft account. Anyways, and my friend, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.